Work crews have been installing footings along the roadways in preparation for 100 wayfinding signs that will help visitors and residents find parks, attractions, and sports facilities in Edmond.
And these 100 signs are going to point people to attractions and places like parks and high schools and City Hall and the dog park, for example, to show people how to enjoy Edmond. Wayfinding shows a community and visitors that you care, and it will help you find more things to do in Edmond.
City staff worked with Merge Design and Geograph Industries, two companies who have led successful wayfinding initiatives in cities across the country. The Oklahoma Department of Transportation also helped to ensure the signs are in safe places with visibility for drivers. The total cost for the project is $1.25 million. Funds from the American Rescue Plan Act will cover $750,000 of that cost. The remaining $500,000 comes from a grant from the Association of Central Oklahoma Governments.
When you have wayfinding signs, you might see something unexpected. You might not be planning to go to the splash pad, but when you see a sign that says splash pad, we should go there. So I think it will help you experience more in Edmond with the signs. I think it'll just be very surprising to a lot of citizens to see these wayfinding signs. These are large. They're going to be very clear. They're going to stand out, and they're really going to help people find their way around Edmond.